Good morning, dear students. Today in English class, I am going to discuss another some topic having in your book page number 61. So all of you please open your English book and watch the video very carefully and try to understand what I am explaining here with the help of your parents. Okay. So let's start. First of all, you have to write CLASS class, then WORK work. Like every day, you write here again DATE date. Today's date is 30 oblique month is 11 oblique 2021 is the year. You all know about it, year. Okay, so here you can see what the animals and people are doing. Means some animals and people's pictures given here, and you have to see what they are doing. Okay, then fill in the blanks. After that, first of all, you have to see the pictures and then fill in the blanks. Some blanks given here, you have to fill this with the correct words. Means with the correct words, with some words, you have to fill these blanks. Take the words from where we take the words. Take the words from those given in given the box. See here one box given and some words written in the box, isn't it? So we have to take one word from this box, then put here to fill in these blanks. So let's start. So for your better understand, okay, first of all you see, look at this picture because the words or the pictures are related to this page. Okay, here see written LINK, link, ing, linking words. Though here written linking words, but the words, the pictures are not given according to proper linking words, because the linking words are and, but, or like this, another also there, but the picture is or the words given in this page, these are not proper linking words. You can say these are position word. Okay, so these are position word because we are going to find out where a person is, where a place is, where an animal is, or where a thing is. Okay, means according to their position we have to put these words in these blanks, isn't it? So for your better understand, first of all I have to explain some words. See, I am drawing a picture of hill. This is a hill, okay, like this hill, no, and this is the sun. So sun is half looking, no, because the sun is behind the hill. Hill के पीछे है. That's why we are not, we cannot see the whole sun. We can see only a part of the sun. Okay. So in this situation, when the sun is behind the hill, that time we cannot see whole sun. So in this situation, we can use the word behind, behind. Behind means in Hindi we say piche. Okay. Where is the sun? The sun is behind the hills. These are hills. Okay. These are hills, no? And sun is behind the hill or hills. Next you see, suppose this is a box. Okay. And I kept one ball here. So in this situation, where is the ball? The ball is in the box. In this situation, we use in. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. This is box, no? And this is in the box. Ball is in the box. And again, I am drawing a ball, a box. Okay. And if I keep my ball here, that means that time we use on. Where is the ball? The ball is on the box. The ball is on the box. Okay. And if the again I am drawing a box. Okay. If the ball is there, that means the ball is beside the box. Where is the ball is? The ball is beside. मतलब box के पास है. Okay. In this situation, we use beside. Okay. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. And if we say where is the box is, we can say again the box is beside the ball. Okay. Ball के पास है. और where is the ball is? Beside the box. Box के पास. Okay. And if I make one stair here, draw one stair, and one ball is there going upwards direction. Okay. Or towards. That means towards direction, that means going up. In this situation, we can use up. Because the ball is going upward, isn't it? Upward. That means we can use in this situation, in the stair or anything climbing situation, we can use with the climbing words, we can use up. Okay, means going upward or towards. Okay, and if I draw, again I am drawing a box, and whenever one ball is going like this, okay, if the ball is going like this, means looking like jumping, not touching anything, any object or anything not touching or not attached, that means this is over. In this situation, we use over. Gap is there, no, not touching. This ball is not touching the box. That means the ball is going over. Okay, in this situation, we use O-V-E-R, over. Okay, so see here one box. Okay, one box is there. If I keep my eraser here, where is my eraser? My eraser is in the box. Where is my eraser? My eraser is in the box. Okay. If I close this box and keep my eraser here, that means where is the eraser? Now see, where is the eraser? The eraser is on the box. The eraser is attached to the box. Okay, attaching means touch. This is touching to the box. And in this situation, we use on the box. Okay, if I keep my eraser, if I keep my eraser or looking like throwing like this is into. This is called into. Suppose like this, eraser, my eraser is there. I am keeping my eraser into the box. Okay, this is called into. Okay. This is one chocolate. I am keeping my chocolate into the box. Okay, into the box. This is into. Okay. See, one chair is there. This is called Raja's chair. In English, we say throne. Okay, this is a chair. And now see, where is the eraser? Okay, where is the chocolate? See, toffee. The candy is on the chair. Okay, the candy is on the chair. Okay, the candy is on the chair. And if I keep my eraser here, see this is eraser, and if I keep my eraser like this, means niche. Where is the eraser? The eraser is under the chair. This is called under. Okay, under matlab niche. So I hope you understood it. Now see another example. You see, suppose this is candy. I am keeping my candy into the bag, into the pen pouch. I am keeping my eraser into the pen pouch. I am keeping my pencil into the box. Okay. Now see, where is my eraser? In the bag. This is in, not into. In the bag. Where is my pencil? In the bag. In the pen pouch. Okay. I hope you understood up to this much. Now let's do what given in your book. Let's see. Now see, the sun is rising dash the hills. I told you no. See here in this picture, where is the sun is? Half looking sun, no, not full sun. This is half sun. That means the sun is behind the hills. Okay, these are the hills, and where is the sun? Sun is behind the hill. So you write here B-E-H-I-N-D, behind the hills. Next you see, birds are flying dash the sky. Where is the birds? See, where are the birds? The birds are flying in the sky. These are the sky, no. This is the sky, no. And surrounding area is the, where are the birds? Surrounding area is the sky, or boundary is the sky. So in this situation, we can write in. Birds are flying in the sky. Okay. Surrounding area is sky, no, is the sky. So we write here in the sky. Next is see, the cock is crowing dash the roof. See in this picture, where is the, this is the crow, no, where is the crow? This is the cock, no, where is the cock? See, this is called roof. Okay, in every house have roof. Okay, so where is the cock? The cock is, this is attached to the roof. Okay, cock is attached to the roof. So in this, cock's feet is attached to the roof or touch. Okay, so in this situation, I told you no, on the roof. So write here on. Next you see, on the roof of a hut. This house is called hut. You all know about it. In science class you have learnt this. Next you see, a cow is grazing dash the field. Grazing, you can say to feed plants or something. This is called grazing. Whatever a cow take as their food, this is called grazing. So see the cow, where is the cow is? See, this is the cow. Where is the cow grazing? Surrounded area is what? Boundary is what? Field, isn't it? So in this case, same, on the field. Surrounded like this, like birds, in the surrounded area is the sky. Okay, so like this. Similarly, cow is also, cow's surrounding area is the field and boundary is the field. So in this case, we can write in. Cow is grazing in the field. Okay, C I N, in. Next you see, a goat is eating grass dash the hut. See, this is the hut, no? Where is the goat? The goat is, I told you no, beside, means near to the hut, to this hut. In this case, we can use beside. Okay, pass, hut ke pass, as pass. So B-E-S-I-D-E, beside the hut. Next is, the horse is jumping dash the fence. See in this picture, where is the horse? Yes, this is the horse. What horse is doing? Horse is jumping. This is not attached, not touched. Okay, going upward direction but not touched. That time we can use, in this case we can use over. I told you no, over, not touching the object or anything, not touching and jumping. This case we can use over, jumping over. O-V-E-R, over. Next is over the fence. This is called fence. Okay, this is called fence. Next is, the monkey is sitting dash a tree. Let's see, where is the monkey? This is the monkey. Monkey is attached to the branch, isn't it? Branch of a tree. This is the tree. And where is the monkey? Monkey is seated on this branch, on the tree. Okay, the monkey is attached to the tree, attached to the branch. So on a tree. Okay. Next is the dog is barking dash a cat. So where is the dog? See, the dog is end of the cat. Okay, means a specific location. Suppose at the top, at the bottom, or at the end of something. That time means a specific location. Whenever indicates that time, we can use at. Okay, the dog is barking at the cat. किस पर भौंक रही है? कैट पर. डॉग किस पर भौंक रही है? barking means the sound of a dog. Okay, भौंकना. किस पर भौंक रही है? कैट पर. So at a cat, at a cat. Up to this much for today. Next day I will discuss about next portion. Okay.